Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we're going to draw a colorful umbrella. First, let's draw the umbrella. Start with a big curved line on top. Now, draw little bumps along the bottom. That's the umbrella's edge. Next, let's draw the handle. Draw a straight line down from the middle, then curve it around to make a hook shape. Let's add some big raindrops around the umbrella. One here, one there. They look like they're falling from the sky. Next, let's make all the lines thick and clean with a dark pen. Look! Everything looks so neat and pretty now. Perfect! The drawing part is done! Let's start coloring our umbrella. First, let's paint red. Let's color together. Red is so bright and happy. Now, let's paint orange. Wow, it looks so warm and cheerful. Next, let's paint yellow. Yellow is like the shining sun. So pretty. Now let's paint green. Green looks so fresh, like little leaves. Next, let's paint blue. Blue is cool and calm, like the big sky. Now let's paint purple. Purple looks so soft and magical. Finally, let's paint the top and handle pink. Pink makes the umbrella look so cute. Now, for the last step, let's paint the raindrops sky blue. They look shiny and fresh, just like real raindrops. That was wonderful! Look at our umbrella! It's so colorful and beautiful! You did an amazing job today! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video! Bye-bye, friends!